Good day, traders. This time, we will be trading pocket option with 5 seconds duration time trading with OTC market. So I choose our chart type as Heiken Ashi with 5 seconds time frame. Then, let us add our trading indicators. There is a variety of indicators to trade, so I will choose the MACD and change its settings. Fast period of 9, slow period of 22, and signal period of 9. Then we got MACD attached below on the chart. As you can see, there is a reversal in this trend. Take a look at our MACD. The two MA lines go broader, then it shifts out in this area, squeezes and reverts going down. Take a look at it here. The latest candle bars create a signal here or a hammer candle. It means that the trend may be possible for the next candles. And also, we have our supporting indicator, the MACD. The two lines are away from each other, creating a two uptrend line here. We will go for a buy. I tested different strategies, but this one is literally blowing my mind. Enough getting signals on Telegram, Discord, and others. Make sure you have to practice first before trading it on a real account. Let's try to trade on other currency pair and add some currencies to our chart. Take a look. It creates a reversal signal here. Let's go for a sell. Like and subscribe with us. Check out our trading strategies at ultimatefxtools.com.